all are safe and healthy in this time of pandemic. Our government announces general community quarantine in most part of the Philippines. That's why we are here again to educate you with our newest product portfolio. Last time we showed to you our JetStamp 790. Today, we will show to you our Reiner 940 and iJet 798. Our Reiner inkjet printer can print on paper, carton, wood, cardboard, metal, glass, and plastic. Now, let me show to you the Speed iJet 798. Speed iJet 798 is a handy marking solution for mobile printing of custom, text, sequential numbers, date, and time. It is a handy packet format, simply handling, prints up to 40 characters in one line. This is Reiner 940, mobile inkjet printer that marks product and packaging easily in a blink of an eye. Ideal for large and curved surfaces, long imprint area, suitable for left and right-handed users, maximum print size of 140 mm by 12.7 mm. That's all for now. Stand by for more interesting videos of BCP about Reiner inkjet printer. In the last part, we are going to answer all the common questions and give recommendations for your applications. If you have any questions or requirements that we can help you with, feel free to comment below or contact us. Again, I'm Danke Rubin, saying in this faith-stretching season, always remember, every cloud has a silver lining. Keep safe, everyone. Bye!